Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Speed Reading Mastery Double Reading Speed Skillshare Class. Lecture 1. Introduction. Why reading speed matters. Common misconceptions about reading. Benefits of speed reading. How to improve reading speed and comprehension. Setting goals for reading improvement. Conclus. Why reading speed matters. Did you know that the average adult reads at a rate of 200 to 400 words per minute? That may seem like a lot. But consider this, the human brain is capable of processing information at a much faster rate. In fact, studies have shown that speed reading techniques can increase your reading speed by up to 300%. That means you could read an entire book in just a fraction of the time it would normally take. Imagine how much more productive you could be if you were able to consume information at that rate. Common misconceptions about reading. One common misconception about reading is that it's only for bookworms or intellectuals. In reality, reading can be enjoyable and beneficial for everyone, regardless of their interests or education level. Another challenge people face when it comes to reading is finding the time to do it. Many assume that reading requires hours of uninterrupted focus, but even just a few minutes of reading a day can make a big difference in one's overall reading speed and comprehension. Benefits of speed reading. Speed reading is not just about reading faster. It's also about improving comprehension and retaining information. By mastering the skill of speed reading, you can increase your productivity and efficiency both at work and in your personal life. Studies have shown that people who read faster are able to absorb more information in a shorter amount of time, which can lead to better job performance and career advancement. Additionally, speed reading can also improve your memory and cognitive abilities, which can have a positive impact on your overall well-being. How to improve reading speed and comprehension. One effective way to improve reading speed and comprehension is to use a technique called skimming. Skimming involves quickly scanning the text for important keywords and phrases. Rather than reading every word, this can help you get through material more quickly while still retaining key information. Another helpful strategy is to practice active reading. This means engaging with the text by asking questions, making connections, and taking notes. By actively processing information, you are more likely to remember it and understand it on a deeper level. Setting goals for reading improvement. To improve your reading speed and comprehension, it's important to set realistic goals. Start by assessing your current reading speed and setting a goal to increase it by a certain percentage within a specific time frame. Another effective strategy is to practice active reading. Techniques such as highlighting key information, taking notes, and summarizing the main points after each section. These techniques not only improve comprehension, but also help you read faster. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have seen that reading speed and efficiency play a crucial role in both personal and professional success. By improving our reading skills, we can save time, increase productivity, and enhance our overall learning experience. It is important to remember that good reading habits are not developed overnight. It takes time, effort, and dedication to master the art of speed reading. However, with the right mindset and tools, anyone can achieve their reading goals and unlock their full potential.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.